Want to know how to verify your account in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application, and we have also created a video on how to install MoonPay, so make sure to watch it. And now once you've done that, here you should be seeing your MoonPay homepage right here. Now if you haven't verified, here you should be seeing get ready to trade, and under that you should be seeing verify account. So just simply select verify account right here, and once you've done that, here you should be seeing a pop-up. So just simply select get started. Now once you select get started, just simply select your country, select agree to terms and conditions, and then select your first name, last name, and date of birth. Now once you're done that, just simply type in your address. Now you just need to verify your photo ID, maybe your license and registration, maybe your passport, and much more. They'll also get a quick scan of your face, and after that is done, and within 24 hours or 48 hours of verification, you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.